Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is moments. In this topic we will learn what is moment, types of moment and how moments are calculated. So let us start with the introduction of moment. The term moment has been borrowed from mechanics, in which it is used to measure the capacity of a force to produce rotation of a body. In statistics, moments are used to describe the characteristic of the data. In the previous lecture, we have already learned the measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion. From the measures of central tendency, we learn the concentration of observations at the arithmetic mean. In the measures of dispersion, we discuss the spreadness or variation of the observations. In this topic, we study the characteristics of the distribution with the help of moments. In the previous topics, we have already used two moments of first and second order to define the mean and the standard deviation of the distribution. Mean is the representative figure of a distribution and standard deviation measures the spread of items around the mean. But if we want further information about the distribution, it is provided by the moments of higher order. Moments are defined about any value or about mean. So we shall see the types of moments. The first type is raw moments. Second type is central moments. We shall start with the first type, raw moments. Raw moments are further divided into two types. Number one, raw moments about origin. And second type is raw moments about any point A. Now we shall see the first type of raw moments about origin. Definition: the arith moment of a variable x about origin denoted by mu r dash and is given by mu r dash is equal to summation xi raised to r divided by n for I is from 1 to n. This is for individual data. This formula is for individual data. Individual data is a data which has separate numbers that we have already learned in the previous lecture. Similarly, for the discrete data, the arith raw moment about origin is defined as summation fi xi raised to r divided by capital N. Here I is from 1 to n. This is for discrete data. Discrete data means a data which contains the values of the observation along with their frequencies. In the previous lecture, we have already discussed the types of data. If students want to learn that types of data in detail, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that lecture is also mentioned in the description below. Now for the continuous data, the arith moment about origin is defined as mu r dash is equal to summation fi into mi raised to r divided by n, where I is from 1 to n. Here n is nothing but the sum of frequency. Summation fi I equal to 1 to n. Continuous data means a data which is classified into different groups or classes. Continuous data. It is also known as grouped data. All these are the formulae for raw moments about origin for the different types of data. Now we shall move to the next type of raw moments about any point A, arbitrary point A. The arith moment of a random variable x about any point A is denoted by the same letter mu r dash and is given by mu r dash is equal to summation xi minus a raised to r divided by n. I is 1 to n. Here a is an arbitrary point. This is for individual data. For the discrete data, mu r dash equal to summation fi into xi minus a raised to r upon capital N. I is running from 1 to n. Here n is nothing but the sum of frequency summation fi. I is 1 to n. This is for discrete data, data containing values along with their frequencies. Discrete data. For the continuous data, the raw moment about any point A is given by mu r dash is equal to summation fi mi minus a raised to r divided by n. Here n is sum of frequencies and mi is nothing but midpoint of the class, midpoint of the ith class, I numbered class. In the basic of statistics lecture, we have already discussed what is midpoint, how it is calculated. If student want to learn that midpoint term, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that lecture is also given in the description below. This is for continuous data, a data having class along with frequencies. All this is about raw moments. Now we shall move to the central moments. Central moments, or they are also known as moments about mean. The arith moment of a variable x about mean is known as central moment, and they are denoted by mu r and given by mu r equal to 1 upon n summation xi minus x bar raised to r. This is for the individual data. Where x bar is the arithmetic mean and it is given by summation xi divided by n. This is for individual data. Now for the discrete data, the central moment are given by mu r is equal to summation fi into xi minus x bar raised to r divided by n, where n equal to sum of frequencies as usual, and x bar is the arithmetic mean and it is given by, for the discrete data, summation fi xi divided by n. This is for discrete data. In the lecture of measures of central tendency, we have already learned about arithmetic mean and the different formulae of arithmetic mean. If a student want to learn that lecture, then click on the I button at the right top corner, or link of that lecture is also mentioned in the description below. Now for the continuous data, central moments are obtained by mu r equal to summation fi mi minus x bar raised to r upon n. N is some frequency 1 to n, and x bar for the continuous data is summation fi mi divided by n. I is 1 to n. This is for the continuous or grouped data. In this way, in this lecture, we learn what is moments and the types of moments. Further, we discuss the different types of raw moments, raw moment about origin, raw moment about any arbitrary point A, and the central moment or moments about mean. I hope students understand all these terms. If students understand and like this lecture, then click on the like button, share with your classmates and friends in order to learn the statistics in simple and more easy way. Students are requested to subscribe this Learn Statistics channel in order to get the notification of upcoming lectures in the upcoming days. We will meet in the next lecture with the next concept from the moments. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.